Fascinating facts about jumping spider you never knew. Jumping spiders are a group of spiders that constitute the family Salticidae. As of 2019, this family contained over 600 described genera and over 6,000 described species, making it the largest family of spiders, comprising 13% of spider species. Jumping spiders have some of the best vision among arthropods, being capable of stereoptic color vision and use sight in courtship, hunting, and navigation. Jumping spiders are generally recognized by their eye pattern. All jumping spiders have 4 pairs of eyes, with the anterior median pair, the 2 front middle eyes, being particularly large. Although they normally move unobtrusively and fairly slowly, most species are capable of very agile jumps, notably when hunting, but sometimes in response to sudden threats or crossing long gaps. Both their book, lungs, and tracheal system are well developed, and they use both systems, bimodal breathing. Jumping spiders are among the easiest to distinguish from similar spider families because of the shape of the cephalothorax and their eye patterns. None of these families, however, have eyes that resemble those of the Salticidae. Conversely, the legs of jumping spiders are not covered with any very prominent spines. Their front 4 legs generally are larger than the hind 4, but not as dramatically so as those of the crab spiders, nor are they held in the outstretched arms attitude characteristic of the Thomisidae. In spite of the length of their front legs, Salticidae depend on their rear legs for jumping. The generally larger front legs are used partly to assist in grasping prey, and in some species, the front legs and pedipalps are used in species recognition signaling. The jumping spiders, unlike the other families, have faces that are roughly rectangular surfaces perpendicular to their direction of motion. In effect, this means that their forward-looking, anterior eyes are on flat faces. Their eye pattern is the clearest single identifying characteristic. They have 8 eyes. Most diagnostic are the front row of 4 eyes, in which the anterior median pair are more dramatically prominent than any other spider eyes apart from the posterior median eyes of the Deinopodii. Many other arthropods are known to jump, including grasshoppers, fleas, leafhoppers, and sand fleas. Jumping spiders are different from these animals because they are able to make accurate, targeted jumps. Jumps are used for navigation, to escape danger, and to catch prey. When jumping, they use mainly their 3rd or 4th pair of legs, or both pairs, depending on species. Jumping spiders' well-developed internal hydraulic system extends their limbs by altering the pressure of their body fluid, hemolymph, within them. The hunting behavior of the Salticidae is confusingly varied compared to that of most spiders in other families. Salticids hunt diurnally as a rule, which is consistent with their highly developed visual system. When it detects potential prey, a jumping spider typically begins orienting itself by swiveling its cephalothorax to bring the anterior median eyes to bear. It then moves its abdomen into line with its cephalothorax. After that, it might spend some time inspecting the object of its attention and determining whether a camouflaged or doubtful item of prey is promising, before it starts to stalk slowly forward. When close enough, the spider pauses to attach a dragline, then springs onto the prey. Some salticid species are continually on the move, stopping periodically to look around for prey, which they then stalk immediately. Others spend more time scanning their surroundings from one position, actively stalking any prey they detect. Members of the genus Phaeaceus take that strategy to extremes. They sit on a tree trunk, facing downwards, and rarely do any stalking, but simply lunge down on any prey items that pass close before them. Some Salticidae specialize in particular classes of prey, such as ants. Most spiders, including most salticids, avoid worker ants, but several species not only eat them as a primary item in their diets, but also employ specialized attack techniques. Anacytis canosa, for example, circles around to the front of the ant and grabs it over the back of its head. Such myrmecophagous species, however, do not necessarily refuse other prey items, and routinely catch flies and similar prey in the usual salticid fashion, without the special precautions they apply in hunting dangerous prey such as ants. Ants offer the advantages of being plentiful prey items for which little competition from other predators occurs, but catching less hazardous prey when it presents itself remains profitable. Jumping spiders live in a variety of habitats. Tropical forests harbor the most species, but they are also found in temperate forests, scrubland, deserts, intertidal zones, and mountainous regions. Euophrys omnisupis is the species reported to have been collected at the highest elevation, on the slopes of Mount Everest. Fact 1. They don't use webs to catch prey. Unlike most spiders, jumping spiders rely on their speed and precision instead of webs for hunting. They stalk and pounce on their prey like mini tigers. Fact 2. Incredible vision. They have 8 eyes, with the 2 large front-facing eyes providing sharp vision. Jumping spiders can see in great detail, some even recognize human faces. Fact 3. Masters of movement. These spiders jump up to 50 times their body length, thanks to their special hydraulic system that propels their legs. They use precise calculations before leaping, ensuring accuracy. Fact 4. They use silk for safety. Even though they don't use webs for hunting, jumping spiders attach a silk thread before jumping, acting like a bungee cord for safety. If they miss their target, they can climb back up using the silk. Fact 5. Smart decision making. Scientists have discovered that jumping spiders plan their routes before attacking prey, showing advanced problem-solving skills uncommon in insects. They assess different angles and distances before making a move. Fact 6. Vibrant colors and unique patterns. Many species are brightly colored, with metallic greens, blues, and reds that make them stand out. Some mimic ant behavior to avoid predators. Fact 7. Curious and observant. Jumping spiders watch humans and react to movements, showing awareness beyond simple instinct. Some even tilt their heads in curiosity. Fact 8. Unique mating rituals. Males perform dance moves to impress females, waving their legs and moving rhythmically. If their dance fails, they may get rejected, or worse, eaten. Fact 9. Can survive in harsh environments. Some species live in high-altitude mountain ranges, enduring freezing temperatures. Others thrive in hot deserts, proving their incredible adaptability. Fact 10. One of the smartest spiders. Jumping spiders show memory and learning abilities, remembering paths and obstacles. They are often compared to small mammals in terms of intelligence. Maintaining colorful ornamentation may seem strictly beneficial to sexual selection, yet costs to maintain such distinguishing characteristics occur. While colorful or UV-reflecting individuals may attract more female spiders, it can also increase the risk of predation. Although jumping spiders are generally carnivorous, many species have been known to include nectar in their diets. One species, Bagheera kiplingi, feeds primarily on Beltian bodies, specialized structures rich in fat and protein, found on some Acacia, Vachellia species. None are known to feed on seeds or fruit. Although jumping spiders are generally carnivorous, many species have been known to include nectar in their diets. One species, Bagheera kiplingi, feeds primarily on Beltian bodies, specialized structures rich in fat and protein, found on some Acacia, Vachellia species. None are known to feed on seeds or fruit. Jumping spiders may be small, but they are nothing short of extraordinary. Their agility, intelligence, and curiosity set them apart from most arachnids, making them fascinating creatures to observe. Whether they are calculating their next leap, watching their surroundings with keen awareness, or displaying impressive problem-solving skills, they remind us that size does not define capability. Their vibrant colors, fearless hunting techniques, and intricate mating dances add to their charm, making them one of the most intriguing spiders in the animal kingdom. As they navigate their world with precision and grace, they leave us with an important lesson: sometimes, the smallest beings hold the greatest surprises. Jumping spiders may be tiny, but they hold some of nature's greatest surprises. From their incredible vision to their expert hunting skills, these little creatures prove that agility and intelligence can come in small packages. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating spiders, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife discoveries. And next time you spot a jumping spider, take a moment to admire its curious, fearless nature. You never know what it might be planning.